Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put this one go to the right, the s go on here, this one go to the left. Now we can put the integration for the both sides. So I will focus on this one. So we have the formula in here. So phi y, that is about capital 8. Now we need to transform this one into this one. Number 4 divided by number 2, we have number 2. The integration of number 1, that is about y. The next one, that is about 1 over 10 sine 10y. And then I will put about c. Now let's go to the second one. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to number 4 sine 2s. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one, that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one, we have number 2 cosine 2s ds. Because we don't have number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change for u. Cosine 2s ds we change for this one. So this one, we can put u to the power of negative number 6. And now we have the final answer. This one, that is about negative number 5. This one, negative number 5. About u, that is about this one. Now we can return back to this one. The integration of this one, that is about this one. This one, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.